Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, we're back with Mallam Buhari again. So prepare your senses of incredulity, because this again will confound you. Presidential aide Loretta Onoche explains why President Buhari doesn't wear face masks. So now that is now what we're contending with now in the face of global directives from the World Health Organization and recommendations from the Nigerian Health Services. This guy now, this Malami, a born sickler, is refusing to wear a face mask. Again, the headline, presidential aide, and this girl, by the way, this lady Loretta Onoche, she's a special case in herself, so you are already aware of her. Presidential aide Loretta Onoche explains why President Buhari does not wear face masks. So now let's now find out exactly how this is being justified. Loretta Onoche, the personal assistant to President Buhari on social media, so already we have to post there. This is a some Eastern lady in late 50s, maybe early 60s, a lady that can barely switch on a computer, but she's the special assistant on social media. So we start again. Loretta Onoche, the personal assistant to President Buhari on social media, has revealed why the president does not wear face mask. The NCDC, Ministry of Health, and the Presidential Task Force on C-19 has repeatedly advised Nigerians to wear a face mask to prevent getting infected with the C-19 virus. President Buhari has engaged in several meetings since the C-19 pandemic started, and pictures shared from those meetings show him as the only one not wearing a face mask. Backing the president, Onoche pointed out that the expert medical protocol states that there is no need to wear a face mask when in a safe environment, hence Buhari's reason for not wearing it. In a post on her Twitter handle, Onoche insisted that President Buhari was not breaking any rules by not wearing a face mask. She explained that the rule stressed that only those visiting must wear face mask to ensure that they don't leave behind droplets in a safe environment. So this is now how it, I mean, it's just like I said, prepare your senses of incredulity, because this is just this is from another planet. Some of these things that this, especially this woman, by the way, she's a known quantity. She's somebody that we're familiar with, and our familiarity with her is along the lines of this rather bizarre comment, this almost this mind-boggling things that she says. So they are recommended that people should wear face masks to prevent this thing being transmitted, and you are saying that this guy now, that is the lead citizen of the country that should set the pace by example, is refusing to do this because he's above the law. Effectively is what she's saying, because I cannot really see what does it, because it will spoil his good looks, Abi, because Buhari is too handsome, Abi. Is that what I mean? What is going on here exactly? Because Donald Trump is not wearing a face mask, therefore Mallam Buhari has to follow suit because he's as powerful and as well insulated by first-class medical services as Donald Trump is. This is what we are contending with within the Nigerian space. Come share thoughts, conversations in the comment section. Let me know what you are making of this rather ludicrous thing that this lady is saying yet again. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then face mask or no face mask is the question. Let's share thoughts. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.